Managers always ask, what do you think is most important characteristics in a great rep? And I always say judgment. And what I mean by that is judging what to work on, what's winnable, what's going to close in what order, and where do you stand within the account. Now, what blinds our judgment? Thinking that we're going to win no matter what, thinking that the relationship that we have with that one person, that champion, is going to trump all the other obstacles that we face. Now, when I did a recent poll on LinkedIn, where a third of the salespeople said that they were the best they've ever met, guess what that does? Yeah, the good part is they're confident, but that confidence blinds their judgment. They're not seeing the weak points because they're the best. They assume people are going to buy from them because they're the best. And if they lose, it's got to be something outside of their control because they're the best. The problem is they never learn. And when you think you're the best, you don't need to learn. You're the best. So when we're in front of clients, we need to be confident, unquestionable. But when we're not in front of clients, we need to be insecure about our deal. We need to tear it apart. What usually goes wrong with these large deals, and how do we prevent it? Not repair it. Because repair, pretty risky. Prevention is usually pretty simple, but we don't do it until it's too late. That's repair. Prevention means we got to do it before it's too late. And then you find out, well, maybe you're not the best. And maybe it's better to think that you're not the best because you'll see the traps that you're going to fall into.